More than 2 million Nigerian children reportedly suffer from severe acute malnutrition annually, with about 45% of them dying. This development prompted the Executive Director of the International Society of Media in Public Health, Moji Makanjola, to advocate zero tolerance to severe acute malnutrition ravaging the country. Accolades of joy at the end of the tunnel of being brought out of poverty and miseries to greater wealth and health. The narrative has changed with these vulnerable women from Kwali and Bwari area councils of the territory, trained on proper nutrition for their babies, production of fertilizers and charcoal, as well as gifting them with startup capitals months ago.
I don't get change, plenty change, because I'm eating for that now.
So we now went to buy juice and start making our own. I've come to notice that with my palm, I can put groundnut, nebino, and mix them together and grind and give him. Like when I was on my own, I didn't know.
Stakeholders say it is a call for global action on zero tolerance so as to contend with communicable and non-communicable diseases, while others say the country is already experiencing population crisis and to deal with it, advocates that President Muhammadu Buhari assented to a bill on national population management policy. To this end, guests appealed for immediate implementation as the nation has overshot her population by more than 100 million.
I'll make sure that we'll fund family planning properly so that women will have right-based and then also qualitative family planning.
We have to educate our rural women or the rural poor or the urban poor to know that malnutrition is not going to be resolved by any witchcraft. Malnutrition is caused by lack of food, lack of balanced food. Then the people will now begin to understand that they have to eat well.
The convener, Moji Makanjola, says the trend must be urgently reversed while appealing to the federal government to pay counterparts funding for ready-to-use drugs for malnourished, voiceless children.
When my country is not at war, why should we have children that are severely malnourished? And we found out that some of the mothers don't have the knowledge in terms of the food mix, particularly when the children are weaned off breast.
The future is tied to that. And nutrition doesn't mean it's not expensive. Actually, you find that uninformed, educated women and families will feed their children on custard.
The intervention has saved over 60 very malnourished children in the two area councils and sadly, one death recorded. In Abuja, Seraphina Okon Umekwe, NT News.